Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be talking about the materials that I use for this and what I'll be doing with it in the future. So if you enjoy this video, drop a like, make sure to subscribe, and let's get into it. So this is what the shoe looks like right now. So let's start on the front. Just normal black leather, nothing too crazy. You got white alligator belly, as well as the sides is a white alligator. Side right there, and then on the back you got red python. As you can see, I didn't stitch the top, so it gives that off-white look. I got suede gray right there, as well as orange suede with the patch. And my favorite part of the shoe is the bandana for the toe and the inside of the shoe. Super soft, and I think it just gives it a really unique look. But that's just kind of like an overview of it. So as you can see, it doesn't have much structure right now, but once you put the sole on the bottom and put it all together, you know, then it'll sit like this, if you could imagine, and it'll have some structure. Later today I gotta punch some holes in here, so then we could throw laces in there and go from there. I'm not too sure if I'm just gonna do normal black or red laces, or if I go with like the off-white neon green or neon orange, so we'll see with that. But I mean, this is a rundown so far. I like how it turned out. I have to finish the other one as well. Just normal black and red soles for it, nothing too impressive. Just kind of try to keep it as normal as possible while still looking like a off-white shoe. As you can see, the lines right there, that's what will just curve underneath the last. But you know, I'm pretty happy with it. Not too bad, not too bad. The audio might be bad out here because I'm outside with cars driving by, but it's too loud inside right now. I'm super happy with how this is turning out so far. I still got to put the sole on it, but you know, that's about it. That, laces, and before you know it, you got a full-on shoe. So if you made it this far, I appreciate it for watching the whole video, and if you can, drop a like and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.